Welcome to Kings Meadow, the only new construction active adult townhome community with luxury amenities in Woolwich Township, New Jersey. Hi, I'm Eric, and I'd love to show you around. Here, lawn care and snow removal are included, giving you the freedom to lock the door and spend more time doing what matters most. Whether that's a weekend at the Jersey Shore, winter months in Florida, or simply enjoying a carefree afternoon with friends. And speaking of friends, your new lifestyle truly comes to life with our state-of-the-art planned amenities. Start your day with a workout in the clubhouse, challenge neighbors to pickleball or bocce, relax by the pool, gather for community events, and so much more. You'll also love being less than 5 miles to great restaurants, wineries, golf courses, shopping, and the small town charm of downtown Swedesboro and Mullica Hill. Head out to dinner at Botto's, grab breakfast at Blue Plate, or enjoy a round of golf at Riverwinds. Plus, being less than 4 miles to I-295, the New Jersey Turnpike, Philadelphia, and Delaware, you're never far from wherever life takes you. And perhaps best of all, you'll be close enough to spend more time with kids and grandkids and never miss a game again. You'll love pulling up to your new townhome, featuring charming curb appeal with a partial stone front, a 2-car garage, and welcoming details that make coming home feel special every day. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice how open, comfortable, and inviting this home feels. With over 2,100 square feet, you'll love this layout. The kitchen is truly the heart of the home, featuring 42-inch cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a large island that's perfect for morning coffee, Sunday dinner, or hosting family for the holidays. Just beyond the kitchen, the spacious 2-story great room creates a natural gathering place for everything from movie nights to celebration with family and friends. The soaring ceilings fill the home with a natural light and creates an open, airy feeling. And when the day is done, your first floor owner's suite becomes the retreat you've earned, complete with a spa-inspired bath, dual vanities, stand-up shower, and a generous walk-in closet. Upstairs, there's plenty of room when family comes to visit, with 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and a versatile loft space. Worried about storage space? Your full basement offers abundant space for holiday decorations and keepsakes. Plus, you'll have the option to finish it for an additional level of living space. But what many homeowners love most isn't just the home itself, it's how much easier your life will become. VIPs on the interest list receive exclusive early access, including the first opportunity to preview the decorated model home, first choice of home sites, and VIP pricing. Join the interest list today to unlock priority access at Kings Meadow.